Alright, you know how to slice lists. So 0 to 1 will give you the first item of the list, and 0 to 2, the first and the second item of the list, and so on. With NumPy arrays, you do basically the same thing, except with NumPy arrays, sometimes you have 2 or more dimensionals, or 3. So let me go ahead and I'll start with a 2-dimensional array. So I'll get that from this variable. So this is the NumPy array that we'll be working with. And yeah, if you want to extract this number here, this one, and this, so these 4 numbers, well, you'd first need to set the index of the rows that you want to slice. So that would be 0 to 2, which gives you the first 2 rows. Actually, we can try that, and you'll see that you get the first 2 rows. Now, if you want only this portion here, so these 2 numbers and these 2, you'd want to pass a comma there, and then the index for the columns, which would be, 0 here, 1, so 2, 3, and yeah, 2 to 4 maybe, yeah. That should do it. And that's it. And that means you have this indexing system. So it starts from 0 for rows, and then the second row is 1, and 2, and so on. For columns, the same thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And actually, if you like, you can see the shape of your NumPy array. So it's 3 by 5, which means 0 to 2 and 0 to 4. Great. And of course, you can use the convention of list indexing. So you can pass 0 and everything after that, or just like that. So you get all the rows and only columns from 2 to 3. Similarly, you can get only one value if you like. Not particularly this one, because 3 is out of the bounds for axis 0. So axis 0 is a horizontal axis, which says that there is no row with index 3. So we set is 0, 1, 2. So let's pass 2 there, and you get 182, which is the very last item of the NumPy array. And yeah, that's about indexing. How about iterating through a NumPy array? Well, there are 2 ways to do that. The first way is to say, let's say for I in your NumPy array, print I. What that will do is it will print out the rows of your NumPy arrays. So what this I accesses in your NumPy array is the rows. So in each iteration, it gets the first row and it prints it out in the first iteration, then the second one, and then the third one. And if you want to iterate through columns, you'd want to access the transposed version of your NumPy array. And that's how you do it. And lastly, if you want to iterate value by value, you'd say for I in image and dot flat print I. So this property, what it does is it allows you to access values of your NumPy array one by one. And that's about indexing, slicing, and iterating. I'll see you in the next lecture.